Okay, here we go. So alright, this is the 2021's Black Friday from Costco. After I bought another phone for the LG G8X, also on sale for $70 off. And this one is the perfect match for it. The wireless charging stand from ubiolabs. Whoa, nice. So it's actually pretty good. As per described, it got like 10 watts charging for every other phone, up to. So based on your phone, every model is different. So therefore, I won't be checking how fast it goes. I don't have the device, and there's really no point if my LG charge certain speed, but yours is different. And the iPhone is actually 7.5. For some reason, it's actually lower. That's what is described. You can either do it on vertical or horizontal way. So let's see what's inside the box. What's the back? Let's look at the back. It says there are 2 wireless charging stand and 2 adapters on the side, compatible with iPhone 8 or later, Galaxy S6 or later, Note 5 or later, those are Samsung, and Google Pixel 3 or later, and compatible pretty much anything like Qi wireless charging. So let's see. Oh, nice. Finally, we're going wireless. I had one before, which is very old, back like I think I will say 8 or 10 years, I forgot, like Samsung Galaxy S3. Back then I had a wireless charger, but that was like really old technology. So this one's actually original price is $39.99 Canadian, and now it's $10 on sale for Black Friday. So I would suggest to run there and get it ASAP, because that's I would say the best deal of wireless charging ever. You can search if you want on the Amazon.com, AliExpress, or anywhere. Just walk in the store. I don't think you can get $15 each of the for one of these things. And it is coming with, you have to remember, it comes with a adapter. Okay, a lot of them, the price they have are way over the $15 each, but they don't even give you an adapter. An adapter will cost you even more. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It's first time I'm doing this at this area of my living room. So when you open, this is what you got. The 2 AC adapter plus the 2 wireless chargers. And I don't think there's anything else. There's no description or anything instruction that you need for this. Just put the phone there and it goes. As long as you have Qi charging. So let's take this out. Nope, nothing on the bottom. Just one of this and one of this. And oh yeah, they also have this we are here to help. So there's helplines, right? Nowadays helplines is all you need, because yeah. Okay, plug in, put the phone there, the lights up, and it is good. Okay, there are light indicators. Oh, it's gonna be nice because it's good to have 2, right? I know like most people will put one next to their bedrooms. No, you're not always like all day long. You're not gonna sit in the bedroom all the time. So I will leave one near the kitchen because it's right next to my living room. So whenever we come back, my wife just put a phone there and then start cooking, cleaning, watching TV, anything that she likes. Okay, so ooh, it's pretty nice. Look at the product. So this is what it looks like. Very plain and simple. It had a little weight on it. It's not as light as I think. Probably really good quality. That might be the reason, but we're not gonna carry this around, so it's no point to know how heavy it is. There is only one plug-in. On the back is one hole. I see a lot of designs that they have other USB, I'll say A on it on the back that you can plug in and you can charge another phone with wire. I don't think it's necessary because that will take away the power from this adapter. So you want it to charge as fast as possible because wireless charging itself is not as fast as wire. So why take it away, right? So light indicator is going to be here. So this is the adapter. We have two. This is the adapter. Yep, US adapter. America, I would say. So, and this is a very long thingy. The Y is quite long actually. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty long. How many feet? Not sure. But more than enough. So just plug this in the back. Nice. So I'll plug this in and have a test at it. Okay, I plugged it in and got my wife's phone as a test because my phone doesn't have charging, and either or I'm recording video with it, so I can't take it out. Let's say it's plugged in, it has power, but there's no light because it's not charging, right? Something like this. So if I put it down, just like that, there's a white LED here and it says charging 72%. So that's pretty good. Yeah, while it's charging. So let's say, take it out and it stopped charging, light is off. Let's put it sideways. Boom. Charging again, indicates 72%, and the LED is on. So it's pretty nice. I don't have to really arrange it well, but it's better to put it as center as possible. But it seems like pretty sensitive, so it's nice. Yeah, just grab and go. Grab and go, nice. So because the wire is I'm so far away from the wall, so that's why I put it sideways as an angle. Otherwise, in the front angle, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I love it. It's very nice. Woohoo! Yeah, that's it. So these are really good deal. $10 off, $29.99 at the end, but of course with tax 30 something. But that's almost like 15-16 bucks each. Really good quality, of course, from Costco. You can return it anytime if you don't like it, but you can feel free to research. A lot of the wireless charger online are way more than this price. Some can even do this power. I know some can do more, but it's like more than 50 bucks with a higher than 10 watt per hour, which only if your phone supports it. So you gotta make sure of that. It can get that much power, but 10 watt, I would say majority of the phone will be able to go to 10 watts nowadays, not like really old phones. But also this one, because it comes with the adapter, you have to make sure it comes with the adapter. So Costco with this price, with adapter to wireless charger, is a really good deal. I would highly recommend it because it's Costco. I trust it 100%. I don't work for Costco, by the way, or have anything related to it. But then if you buy anything online, they might give you only, with the price that they're online, you have to watch it because they only give you the wireless charger, or they will give you a wireless charger with a USB cord, but no power adapter. This is actually really important because a lot of the AC adapter, every single one of them has different output. So you might not have the one that's powerful enough to give it the full power that it needs. Therefore, it's a lot of headache. So you might buy the wrong one, or you might pay overpriced things that it might produce to the max of it. So, right, your price may vary. So there you go. This is my opinion. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any comment, please put below. I will try to answer as much as I can. Have a nice day.